na, amiga. Likod ko naman. Sa likod ba? Wait sa. Kay murag agli kayo kung kuan. Hi. Thank you. They're loving our outfit. See. So this is my outfit. Isa ko na earring. A unicorn. Umihihi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, hi. So we have to go around. Here, maybe they have also. No. Shanta's the vampire. We don't have makeup. Wow. Thank you. Let's go.
I got three.
Got 3. So we have to ask more? Hi everybody. It's my angels. It looks dark now. Go upstairs, dali kami. Yes, I think he's also a vlogger. Are you a vlogger too? Because you look familiar. Asan ta? I'm with my daughter. Wait, we have to go down ba? There, those stairs. Asas, naman sa silong. So this is my outfit for today. Look. Hello everybody. So this is my Halloween preparation and it is a tradition here in the Philippines to serve for souls. Now you have to put in the table like food and I just shop a little bit there in SM and then of course the costume outfit, me and my daughter. So I have here, it's her favorite. So this is my talking bird. So this one is very yummy. This is the rainbow cake, and also I have some food like this one, serve, and then some pudding. We'll try this one, how it tastes. This is pudding. So that's our day and that's my day. There's more drawing videos to come in my channel, and thank you everyone for watching, members and my new followers and old followers. Thank you so much for being there and supporting my channel. Love you all. Bye.
and people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.